How to group objects in Microsoft Word documents. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Simply add your objects. As you can see, this is my first object and I'll add something else. After two of your objects are there or your group of objects are there, what you can do is press on one object and then press on CTRL on your keyboard, and while pressing CTRL, select the another objects. Then at the top, go to Shape Format and then click on Group Objects on the right side. Then click on Group. And as you can see, it has been grouped. Now if you rotate it, move it, it's gonna be in the same place. This is how to group objects in Microsoft Word documents. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.